Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a genuinely lucrative career path in enterprise technology. We're going to break down the proven Hallsway Group roadmap, your step-by-step guide to landing a role in the tech consulting world. Let's get right into it.
So, have you ever actually stopped to wonder how massive organizations like Fortune 500 companies, sprawling hospital networks, or even governments manage their finances and day-to-day operations? I mean, we are talking about literally trillions of dollars flowing through these entities every single day. How do they track it all without the whole thing just falling apart? Well, the secret sauce is enterprise technology.
Here's our game plan for today. We'll start with a welcome to THG, then move into understanding Oracle ERP. Check out the specific Oracle ERP modules and explore the career opportunities. After that, we'll walk through the 8-week career roadmap and finish up with some frequently asked questions.
All right, Section 1. Welcome to THG, Learn, Prepare, Get Hired. The Hallsway Group's mission is incredibly straightforward. Really, it's to help professionals learn, prepare, and get hired. Through their THG Career Blueprint, they guide people just like you through structured career pathways in enterprise tech. They provide the exact insights and practical guidance today's workforce actually needs. And today, we are focusing on one of the absolute most valuable paths out there: Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP.
Moving on to Section 2, Understanding Oracle ERP, the engine of the enterprise. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. But what does that actually mean? Well, Oracle ERP is this massive cloud-based business application that helps organizations manage their core operations from one single integrated platform. Picture this. Instead of a company using 50 clunky, disconnected systems, one for payroll, another for buying supplies, a totally different one for financial reporting, Oracle ERP brings all of that into a single unified environment. It allows organizations to automate those boring routine tasks, make way better decisions, and gain total visibility into what's actually happening.
Think about it. Every business on Earth absolutely has to manage its money, its resources, and its purchasing with complete accuracy, right? Oracle ERP provides the tools to streamline those critical processes while ensuring strict financial compliance and driving operational excellence. And because this system is literally the engine supporting an organization's growth, there is a massive, continuous global demand for professionals who actually know how to run it.
Section 3. Oracle ERP Modules, Connected Systems.
Now, Oracle ERP isn't just one giant, confusing screen. It's actually made up of specific functional areas which we call modules. Some of the heavy hitters include the general ledger, accounts payable and receivable, fixed assets, cash management, expenses, procurement, project management, and budgeting. And here's the really cool part. While each module supports a totally different area of the business, say accounts payable is handling outgoing payments, while project management is busy tracking a new building construction, they all talk to each other seamlessly. They work together as one perfectly connected system.
Let's jump to Section 4, Career Opportunities, Paths to Success. Okay, so what does this mean for you? Well, Oracle ERP offers a surprisingly wide variety of career paths, totally depending on your interests. You could become a functional consultant where you align the software with business needs. You could be a financials consultant, an integration consultant, or a reporting analyst. There are also support analysts, technical consultants for those of you who love to get in there and code, and eventually, solution architects who design the entire enterprise system structure. And what's really fantastic is that as you gain experience, you can easily expand into multiple modules or specialize deeply in one specific industry. Of course, the gap between learning all this and actually getting hired comes down to preparation. Take Priya, for example, who's now an ERP functional analyst. She used THG's AI-powered mock interviews and smart flashcards. Their platform uses a science-backed spaced repetition system that automatically surfaces the exact questions you consistently miss. That way, you're never wasting time studying what you already know. By the time you step into that interview room, you are answering tough, scenario-based questions with absolute confidence.
And this perfectly illustrates the second half of the equation, visibility. James, who is now an Oracle Cloud Consultant, utilized the Hallsway LinkedIn Accelerator. Their e-learning platform includes an AI content studio and an outreach hub filled with pre-built recruiter scripts targeting Big Four firms, Oracle partners, and boutique tech firms. When you combine robust technical knowledge with these proven outreach templates, you can completely bypass that dreaded standard application black hole and land real consulting opportunities just through direct messaging, It's a real game changer.
Which brings us to Section 5, the 8-week career roadmap from zero to hired. This is it. This is the day-by-day career system that takes candidates from zero presence to having active conversations with recruiters. Weeks 1 and 2, that's about building the foundation, understanding the business processes, and optimizing your profiles. Weeks 3 and 4, you build authority by posting LinkedIn content using THG's AI Studio. Weeks 5 and 6 are all about targeted direct messaging using those proven scripts we talked about. Week 7 is intense interview prep using an AI simulator. And finally, Week 8 is all about converting those conversations into concrete offers and negotiating your salary.
So, this entire roadmap is structured around a highly optimized journey. Step 1, you understand the business fundamentals and complete structured training. Step 2, you prep through consistent practice and scenario-based AI coaching. Step 3, you gain that crucial visibility by building a strong professional profile and portfolio. And Step 4, you connect directly with employers actively looking for pre-vetted talent. This sets you up perfectly to continue learning and stay current with new cloud innovations.
Now, if you're sitting there wondering if this timeline is actually realistic, just listen to Marcus's story here. He went from literally knowing nothing about Oracle to landing a Big 4 offer at Accenture in just 7 weeks. The system works because it completely removes the guesswork. You don't have to stress about what to post or how to answer tricky technical questions. The roadmap dictates your daily tasks, and the tools ensure your output is professional, keyword optimized, and highly attractive to enterprise recruiters.
All right, Section 6, frequently asked questions. Your path cleared.
Let's address the elephant in the room, probably the most common hesitation people have. When folks see a title like Enterprise Resource Planning Consultant, they immediately assume they need like a decade of high-level tech experience just to get their foot in the door. But honestly, that is a total myth. The reality is that many professionals begin their Oracle ERP journey without any prior Oracle experience whatsoever. What employers are actually looking for is a foundational understanding of business processes, a genuine willingness to learn, and the ability to articulate your knowledge clearly. Using a structured training path, like THG's AI mock interviews and spaced repetition flashcards, develops the exact practical confidence you need to prove your competency in an interview, totally regardless of your past job titles.
Another major concern we hear all the time, especially since Oracle ERP heavily involves managing money, budgets, and financial reporting is, do I need a finance degree?
The answer is absolutely not. Sure, while having a background in accounting, finance, business administration, or operations is certainly helpful, it is by no means a hard requirement. Successful Oracle ERP professionals come from incredibly diverse educational and professional backgrounds. Because the software manages literally everything from supply chains to human resources to project management, your unique background, whether you worked in healthcare, retail, logistics, or even education, can actually be a massive asset when you're configuring the system for a client in that specific industry.
Ultimately, people just want to know if they're investing their time into a career that will actually pay off. So, is Oracle ERP a good career? Well, it combines technology, business, and complex problem solving, which makes it a highly attractive path. If you are someone who genuinely enjoys improving business processes, analyzing data, and helping large organizations operate more efficiently, this is an incredibly rewarding field. It offers massive upward mobility and truly global opportunities. So, we've covered what Oracle ERP is, the diverse career paths available, and the exact 8-week structured roadmap you need to land your first role. The Hallsway system has already helped hundreds of beginners transform into high-paid consultants. As global businesses become more and more complex, the demand for the people who can organize all that chaos is only going to skyrocket. The tools and pathways are right here in front of you. The only question left is, are you going to be the one to step up and optimize the enterprise of tomorrow?